garbage disposal's not working, here's an easy fix for you. You're gonna need one of these. Reach your hand into the garbage disposal and try to find out what's blocking it. In this case, it was a coin. Now that we've pulled the item out, we need to go underneath and check the disposal itself. You got your hex wrench or your Allen key. What you want to do is put it up inside this little hole. And what you want to do is turn it. If there's something still in there, sometimes it's jammed up, sometimes it can be rusted as well. As long as you can move it all the way, that means nothing's there. Reset the garbage disposal to get it to turn back on. Now that you've cleared anything that's clogged up, you should hear a nice, smooth sound. And that's how you fix a garbage disposal.